evening, evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it was done?
Хранить деньги, деньги, сберегательные.
Hi guys! So, we are here pa rin sa Year 16 of Stance Pilipinas. Andito sa likod natin ngayon, ang best 90s na nanalo
Yes.
for this year
Thank
for
you.
the Stance Pilipinas. And we are here with Sir...
Jay Garcia.
Anong kotse tong dala nyo ngayon?
So it's known as 1989 to 1990, I think, na Mitsubishi Eclipse, which is a 1G. It has a counterpart sa US na Plymouth Laser, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and the Eagle Talon. This one is the Mitsubishi variant.
This is the Gen 1 ba? Tama.
The Gen,
Gen
1.
1.
Gen 1 Eclipse. Yep.
Siguro kwentuhan nyo naman kayo, paano napunta tong gantong kotse sa inyo?
Okay. So we chanced upon its marketplace sa Facebook. So I was just browsing, and then at the same time, kasi my daughter's 18th birthday is approaching, so I asked her if she wants an grand like debut na party, or if she wants the car, kasi at least that's gonna be more memorable. She chose this, and this is our project. Unfortunately, she's not here, so medyo pagod. Sana siya na lang pala in-interview mo, pero I'm here with Jaden, who also knows about the car. Say hi. From there, we started building it unti-unti. It was already built somewhat. Si Jerome, the previous owner, I always chat with him to ask
Jerome
about the...
din?
Yeah, Jerome din. Yeah, Jerome Bilostas. Yeah. So he started this project, and then yung binitawan niya na, and I was fortunate to acquire it from him.
Okay, so let's start with the walk around of this very beautiful Gen 1 Eclipse. Ano yung mga nangyari na dito sa harap? May binago po ba kayo?
So first off, this would be the first gen Eclipse. As far as I know, the face would be the USDM variant, and what was added to it is the custom body kits. As you can see, the front lip and the diffuser, lahat yan Yero. That's not plastic, so it's handmade. Props to the previous owner for creating that, yung team niya. And that's the reason why I also fell in love with the car, kasi when I acquired it, it already had the custom work, the custom body kits. So all I did was pick up from there and complete the puzzle. You can see napakahirap lang talaga mag nito, kumuha ng parts na fresh. So you can see what I did on the lights, the corner lights, and yung sa may bumper lights. I painted over it kasi sobrang lala na nung sun crack, para just to give that clean look. And then also the center grille, the Mitsubishi badge, I put that in, and then I wrapped that in carbon para naman meron contrast kahit papano. So
Before this ba, sir, white na ba talaga siya?
parang ano siya, yung talagang ilaw dapat yan. This
I mean
part.
the car, white,
Oh yeah, white
ever
na
since
talaga siya.
talaga
White na yata siya. Yeah, white na siya.
What's the engine of this Eclipse?
It's a 4G63 na non-turbo. Previously, it was a matte automatic transmission. It was already converted to a manual. So 5-speed manual transmission na siya ngayon. And I think the engine was already rebuilt as well. It's more reliable now compared to before. And then fun fact na discover ko dito, the upper part is from Space Gear, if I'm not mistaken.
Mitsubishi Space
the
Gear,
Space
yung
Gear.
wagon.
Yung wagon, yeah, the RVR. That's the top, from the cylinder head up. And then yung baba, from the block to the transmission, it's from a Galant 7G. So all parts, yun at least sa maintenance, wala masyadong problema kasi it's either pang Lancer, pang Space Gear, or pang Galant. Pwede sa kanya. So that's what I love about this car. So at least sa maintenance, hindi siya ganun kabigat. Kumbaga, meron pa ring parts. Hindi ka mamumroblema.
Pero yung mga ilaw, yun yung mahirap.
Yun ang mahirap. The accessories and the exterior parts, yun ang medyo mahirap talaga sa kanya.
With this one, kasi may lumabas pang local na, wala, di ba?
Walang lumabas na local.
With Galant, meron.
Meron,
Mga
oo.
meron.
Even sa Japan, wala rin ako makita na parts from Japan. All of it is from the US, which I think is already scrapped. So wala masyado nagbubuo nito sa US din. Yeah.
More like ikaw na yung nagkabit. Besides
This one, I bought it. I think I bought this from Japan sa Up Garage. I think this one is a top fuel na air filter. Fortunately, hindi ko sinukat yan, nakachamba lang, bolt-on pala.
sukat siya.
Oo. Nung pagtingin ko sa Up Garage, sabi ko, pipiling ko baka sakaling kasya. And fortunately,
Hindi,
kumasya
beta na
nga.
lang.
Oo. And then coilovers, I was the one who put in the coilovers.
What's the coilovers po?
D2 coilovers. Medyo matagtag siya, pero at least na-adjust ko yung height, and that's malulain ako eh. So kailangan medyo mababa talaga yung auto. Pagka 2 finger gap above, medyo nanlulula na ako. So,
Yes.
and
But it's about that,
sweet
the
spot.
gap.
Yeah, that sweet
How
spot.
about the, like the exhaust system of this one?
The exhaust system, it's also customized. 3-inch na yung pipe niya. And then what I put in recently, I put in a resonator para medyo mas naman mabait yung tunog niya. Kasi before, straight pipe lang siya.
Maingay.
Oo, maingay. Ayoko eh. Parang
Bulabog.
Oo, bulabog eh. So, and then yung sa end, naka HKS na siya na free flow muffler. So, para at least medyo aggressive talaga yung look niya, which complements the look of the car as well.
How about the gas consumption? Malakas po ba
The
to sa gas?
gas consumption, medyo madalang ko siyang gamitin, as in madalang, panghatid-hatid lang. Pang-meat. Pero I think I'm getting 7 to 8 kilometers per liter for it. Oo, yeah.
For
yeah.
this kind of
For this kind.
4G63.
4G63. I mean, that's tansya ko lang yun. Like dito, nagpakarga ako ng 1,000. Pag umuwi ako sa bahay, may sukli pa yun. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakas.
Bearable.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, so natapos na tayo sa front face and sa engine. And now let's go on to the wheel section. What wheel is this? Anong tires to? And what's the specs of it?
Okay. So for the wheels that I put in on the car currently, I'm running Rota na RT5 RR. So the specs is 18 by 9.5 offset 38. The reason why I chose this wheel, although ano nga siya, I wanted to put in JDM wheels on the car pero can't seem to find the perfect set for it. So etong Rota kasi nakita ko na ang ganda nga nung bagsak sa auto, and that's the reason why I decided to put that on. And then for the tire specs, they are Federal Super Steel na 225/40/18. So it has the right stretch lang to clear the fender. So just right. So ayoko naman ng masyadong manipis, ayoko naman ng masyadong makapal. So sweet spot to.
May rubbing po ba?
Rubbing, when you do a full turn, nagra-rub talaga siya sa fender liner. So again, sa mga sa ika nga nila sa stance, no rub, no love. So that's the life of nag-static talaga on stance. So yun.
How about the brakes po?
The brakes,
Stock po ba?
The brakes are stock kasi okay na naman yung brake system niya kasi front and rear naka disc brake na. So it has enough stopping power, not unless na in the near future if I decide to put a turbo on it, and that's gonna be the time na siguro na
Mahirap ng patigilin.
mag-upgrade na ako ng brakes kasi mahirap na madaling magpabilis ng auto, mahirap magpahinto. So yeah.
Alright. So we head on over to the rear section of this Eclipse. So Sir Jay, any changes or upgrades dito sa likod?
Sa likod naman, this is also stock. Itong wing na to, itong spoiler na to, itong 3-piece spoiler na to is stock from the Eclipse din na 1G. The only customization that I did would be the yung diffuser, the rear or yung splitter or that one, the rear chin, the half chin. That's custom made. And then again, what I've discussed for the exhaust, yung HKS na free flow muffler. That's the only thing that other than that, all stock na siya.
All stock. Ayun, that
The
one.
visor. That's also, I believe, stock. Yeah, the visor. Medyo nakachamba lang ng stock na visor. It's already like medyo bugbog na, pero again, we make do with what we have. So,
How about the lights? Lahat working?
Yeah.
Even the wiper?
The wiper is working. What's bad about this car would be yung the black part that's holding the base of the wiper. That's somewhat a cause for leak. I'm not sure if on the future plans if I might delete that so that it can prevent the leaks that's coming on the trunk. Other than that, the lights, all of it are working. So yung center garnish, yung center piece na yan, it doesn't light. So it doesn't light up. Ito lang talagang stoplight saka yung signal light, and then I put in also parang rear fogs dun sa may baba ng bumper. Meron parang rear fogs lang. Pang added accessory lang.
Then how about this one po, sir? Ito, umiilaw rin po ba siya?
That one
Third
pala.
brake light,
Yeah,
tama ba?
The third brake light coming from the spoiler, that also works. OEM lahat, that's how I build my cars. OEM plus look lang most of the time. So I make sure that, parang kung kaya pang paganahin, pinapagana. Fortunately, all of the lights are working.
And then may Japanese sticker pa for parking.
Yeah, for parking
Lahat po
sticker.
ba talaga, JDM talaga, lover kayo?
Actually,
Hindi naman.
Europe hindi naman. Para meron din akong European na auto. It's just that syempre, I mean, I don't prefer kung ano yung build or brand. Basta if it looks good.
Resonates with you.
If it resonates with me, kung talagang parang
Kuning ka.
nararamdaman ko na may
Build
amo
natin
sa akin.
yan.
Yeah.
Wow! Pasok tayo, guys.
the cabin.
Ooh, very futuristic. Wow.
I don't know if you might call it futuristic, pero what's odd about it is again naka-slant yung vent niya, not like the usual, di ba?
Ay, oo nga, no?
Medyo naka-slant siya ng konti. I think the idea would be lahat facing the driver. So all of it will be driver driven. So talagang lahat abot mo. Kumbaga. For the interior, we've added the gauges, the 3 gauges. And then kasi nga kinonvert siya from matic to manual. So the gauge I haven't updated that yet. So hindi pa siya nagwo-work, pero I have additional like the AFM to make sure na hindi naman siya nagli-lean o hindi siya deprived. Tapos ito yung speedometer ko. Kasi nga digital na lang. It's connected to the head unit para naman namomonitor ko rin yung speed ko if I'm overspeeding sa mga areas na hindi dapat nag-over ng 60.
Yes.
So yeah. What's great about this car as well is that, let me demonstrate. When you close
Guys,
the
we're
door.
going to start.
Yeah.
Ew.
So the
Wow.
seat belts are automatic when you close the door.
Automatic.
Nag-automatic siya nagse-settle doon sa likod. So that's what medyo nakakairita siya sa umpisa, pero once you get to know to na masanay ka na, hindi naman siya nakakairita kasi minsan ako nauuntog ako, nasasakal ako. So yun. Steering wheel, I've upgraded this to parang dish type para naman again for it to look better. Meron din ako actually nabili sa Japan pala na stock steering wheel, pero I decided na ito muna ang gamitin and then keep that kung sakali lang na gusto ko mapagtripan ko na to
Sawa.
magsawa at gusto ko ibalik sa stock, pero again hindi siya maganda, it's fugly. So
Stock is ugly.
hindi, medyo funny looking siya for the car. So ito na lang, nag-dip dish na lang ako na Momo na all black. Ito Rally Art na shift knob. Ito I custom handmade this kasi nga from matic to manual, wala naman ako makuha na base ng shift knob, yung base na cover niya. So, pumili lang ako ng leather and I did this para naman magmukha siyang decent. And then, what's good about this car is, kaya ako rin napili to as my first project na medyo 90s din na, na 90s din kasi nga, original left-hand drive to since it's US. So, this is basically not talaga JDM, US talaga siya. Kasi nga ayoko nung una, takot ako na bumili ng kotse na converted from right hand to left hand. So at least ito left hand na, iwas sakit sa ulo sa conversion. I won't be afraid to yun nga, kung ano ba yung pagkako-convert. This is an original left hand drive. Head unit is
Pioneer na 2 din, tama?
Pioneer na 2 din. I got that from my previous cars pa. Sinalpak ko na lang dito. I had that head unit lying around and it's working. So somewhat yan, medyo talagang naglalambing siya, pero para it works. And then maganda kasi rin talaga sound quality ng Pioneer. And
Naka-sounds rin siya.
yeah, somewhat semi-sound setup, like the tweeters. I have the tweeters there. I added the tweeters and then the bazooka subwoofer. Para lang may konting para pag may kalampag ako naririnig, all I need to do is lakasan na lang yung sounds. Wala na ako maririnig na kalampag. All
That's
good.
right. How about this ito stock lang to?
Stock lang to.
And,
Stock lang yung
fabric.
ceiling. Yung ceiling nito stock, and as you could see, kaya ako rin nagustuhan. All of it is intact. So hindi siya hindi siya
walang
bugbog, walang punit, walang lundo. Tolerable din naman yung mga sidings, if you could see. So again,
Seats pala, stock
din to, yung stock seats lahat yan. So wala din siyang punit. Again, normal for a 90 90s car. There are like wear and tear, pero all of it are tolerable for me. So presentable pa naman siya.
Do you know who this is?
Yung,
Nezuko.
that's
From?
this.
Demon Slayer.
Mahilig ka rin pala sa anime,
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
That's when we went to Japan, diyan sila nagpaka-wild nung magkapatid. They went, lahat ng gashapons pinuntahan nila.
Inikutan
nila. Lahat nila, pinatos nila lahat ng gashapon.
The seatbelt, pag pinatay mo na yung makina, automatic naman siyang...
The seatbelt, I can demonstrate.
Okay, demo naman natin yung pag pinatay.
Pag pinatay, and then you open the door.
So pag open
Pag open mo ng door, so there.
Wow.
Automatic siyang...
Ito, futuristic
Oo,
pala.
Yan ang wala sa mga kotse na ngayon.
Okay.
So, yan yung talagang isa sa mga nakakapagpabilib dito sa car na to. Futuristic talaga yan. Yeah.
How about sa mga ibang Eclipse po ba? Meron po bang mga sunroof yung iba?
I'm not
Wala,
sure
no?
about the all-wheel drive na variant kung may sunroof siya. But I think the 2G lang yun yata yung meron ng mga sunroof. Pero itong mga ganito yata, I'm not
Wala
sure
talaga.
kung wala pa,
Okay.
kung wala pa siya.
We'll check on that. Guys, let's check out the... Kumbaga parang hatch siya, no?
Yeah, tailgate kung tawagin.
Tailgate pala.
Yeah. Super basic lang naman yung tailgate niya as yung mga hatches lang. So this one, I've already changed this. Fortunately, may nahanap pa ako sa Lazada or sa Shopee na
talaga?
damper. Ala ko hindi ko na makakahanap ng damper niyan. So sa mga may 1G dyan, I can send you the link kung saan ko nabili.
Commission na lang.
Oh. And then this one, yung this one would
Parang
be the
tonneau siya,
tonneau
no?
cover. Yeah. It's custom made because again, wala na siguro nung wala na talaga yung original niya. So this one is made from wood na pinalutan na lang ng carpet.
May spare tire underneath.
Yep, under the
Mga tools,
the
everything.
spare tire, the subwoofer is here.
This one, what's...
This one would be the for the rear washer. So ito yung reservoir niya, yung lalagyan ng rear washer niya.
Puno pa.
Oo, puno pa.
Okay, so natapos na tayo sa harap, sa likod, sa wheels, and sa loob na napaka-astig with the seatbelt. Okay, so Jay, any advice sa mga gusto magbuo ng ganitong kotse? Ano mga dapat iwasan? Ang dapat gawin agad pag nakabiling ganito?
Okay, definitely this car parang siguro not for everyone because it's not that common. What's good about the car, as I've mentioned earlier on the interview, is that yung parts niya, yung mga suspension niya, the engine parts, meron siyang interchangeable from the Lancer, from the Galant. It's easy to maintain. The hard part would be yung mga accessories like the exterior accessories like the lights, bumpers, taillights, lahat, salamin, yung mga windshield and all of the glasses. Yun talaga, so medyo ingatan nyo kung talaga ingatan nyo mabangga or ma-aksidente if you're gonna build this car. What I did is that meron naman din mangilan-ngilan na mga owners dito sa Pilipinas. Ang ginawa ko, when I chanced upon na isang nagkakatay or nagpa-part out ng Eclipse, I immediately got the front and rear bumpers, the lights, lahat ng mga kaya kong, yung mga gusto kong i-spare, alam ko yung lahat ng mga consumables na pwedeng, para naman at least if God forbid, ma-aksidente or mabangga, meron na akong ready na part na available.
And with 90s car talaga, di ba, you can say na may budget, pero walang pyesang mahanap.
Yeah,
That's
what's
the
that.
thrill
Yeah.
of sa pagbubuo, sa pagkukotse.
Yep, that's really the thrill. Pagka may nakita ka na, kaya nga pag may nakita ako na pyesa na available, lalo na sa Facebook or somewhat sa online, I immediately grab it. Kasi mahirap yung, kung nandyan na yung budget mo, nandyan nga yung pera mo, wala ka naman makitang pyesa. So might as well, pag may nakita ka ng pyesa, grab it para pagka kung
pull the
kailangan,
trigger.
as insurance, kumbaga, para at least meron ka na agad na spare when the time comes na kailangan mo talaga siya.
Any shoutouts mga gusto nyo mong pasalamatan with this build? Bato natin sa internet yan.
Thank you, first and foremost to my wife for always supporting my passion. Dito sa pisyo ko na to, medyo hindi siya ganong hindi siya, magastos siyang bisyo. Palaging money pit when you have these project cars. So again, I love you, Rochelle. Ayan So, and then secondly, to my friends who helped me build this car. To those na syempre continuous na tumutulong sa akin, advices like Louie, always there to give me support when it comes to the troubleshooting na kailangan ko dito sa kotse. And then Jovic, my good friend Jovic, na talagang kami na nag-maintain ng kotse na to So, yun yung pinaka-bonding namin. Yung pagkatapos gumawa, konting inom. So, yun.
Kotse lang talaga.
Yeah, kotse lang talaga vision namin. So, Koyolo and everyone, lahat ng mga tropa dyan, you know who you are. So, huwag kayong magtampo sa akin kung hindi kayo mapangalanan. So, ayun. And then, guys, as well, just to let you know, I have a Facebook page, Wheel Republic. Nagpapadala ako ng mga wheels from Japan, original wheels from Japan. So, may, kung ano man yung builds nyo, European, JDM. So, please follow my page. It's, again, Wheel Republic.
Lagyan
And-
natin yung link sa baba.
yung link sa
saka
baba.
yung picture yan. Lagay ko na lang dyan.
Thank you. Yeah. So any needs, just PM me. Hindi ako suplado. So any inquiries, so yeah. Let me know. Thank you again. Thank you, Jerome, for
Yes,
featuring my car and featuring us.
Okay. So, guys, pag umabot pala kayo sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below. Tama ba, sir? 1G.
1G.
Yon,
Yes,
1G para
1G na
alam
lang.
kong ano ulit?
1G!
Okay, si Jayden nga pala. Comment nyo yan sa baba para alam kong nanood kayo from start to finish. If you guys wanna buy our merch like this one, you can buy this one, www.eversince-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash, baka sa kayo mapunta. And as always, this has been Jerome Monastiel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon! Johnny! Bye guys! Do you have something to say with this car?
It's beautiful, nice, and it's very attractive to other people.
Yes! Something you don't like about this?
It's just the I don't like
You don't
this.
like that one.